Have you ever dreamt of a secret companion that could whisper the secrets of writing excellence into your ear? Imagine a journey where your words hold the power to captivate minds and ignite imaginations. Well, get ready to unveil the force that's about to transform your writing. Ever wondered if a single tool could become your writing mentor, guiding you toward flawlessness and engagement and impact? Picture having this ally by your side, a guiding light through the labyrinth of words. Say hello to Fluency AI, the amazing writing assistant that's set to unravel the mysteries of your writing potential. But here's the twist. It's not just any writing tool. It's a revolution in the making. A writing companion that could redefine how you craft your narratives, how you convey your thoughts, and how you captivate the hearts of readers. So what's the story behind Fluency AI? How does it cast its spell on your writing prowess? Buckle up, because we're about to start a journey into the unknown, the magical world of Fluency AI. So what exactly is Fluency AI? Think of it as your personal writing coach, available at the click of a button. It's your partner in perfecting grammar, refining style, and enhancing the overall quality of your written work. These cutting-edge tools employs the power of natural language processing to analyze your text, identify grammar errors, suggest style improvements, and offer insights that take your writing to the next level. In essence, Fluency AI is your virtual writing companion, committed to your growth as a wordsmith. But wait, there's more. Fluency AI isn't just about error detection. It's a creative powerhouse as well. Need to craft compelling blog posts or captivating marketing materials? This tool has your back. With its content generation feature, Fluency AI sparks your creativity by providing ideas and suggestions that set you on the path to crafting engaging content that captures your audience attention. Now that we're acquainted with the essence of Fluency AI, let's explore how it works its magic and transforms your writing prowess. Fluency AI employs a repertoire of techniques to refine your writing, which includes perfect spelling and grammar check. Say goodbye to pesky mistakes like misspelled words and confusing grammar. Fluency AI carefully goes through your text, making sure every little error is caught. It reads your words closely, making sure they come out perfectly without any flaws. Better style suggestions. Making your writing sound elegant is like creating a beautiful painting, and Fluency AI is like your helpful guide. It gives you smart ideas to make your style better, adding a touch of class that makes your writing more impressive. Preventing plagiarism. In writing, being original is really important. Fluency AI tools that spots copied content is like a protector, making sure your work is truly yours. It watches out for any parts that might be too similar to others, so your work feels genuine and trustworthy. Boost your creativity with content ideas. Feeling stuck and not sure what to write? Just ask Fluency AI for help. It comes up with ideas and thoughts that make your writing projects more exciting. It takes the hard work out of being creative and turns it into a fun and easy journey. But that's not all. The real magic lies in Fluency AI's real-time feedback loop. As you write, Fluency AI analyzes your content, offering insights and suggestions instantaneously. This means you can fine-tune your writing on the fly, witnessing your improvement in real time. So who can benefit from the marvel that is Fluency AI? The answer is simple. Anyone and everyone with a penchant for enhancing their writing skills. Whether you're a student aiming for impeccable essays, a professional striving for impactful communication, or an enthusiast dedicated to crafting compelling narratives, Fluency AI caters to your unique writing needs. Are you ready to finally start in your journey to enhance writing? Getting started with Fluency AI is a breeze. Step 1. Create your account. Visit the Fluency AI platform and create your account. It's a quick and hassle-free process. Just provide your basic details and you're all set. Step 2. Embrace the magic. Once you've created your account, start writing. Fluency AI seamlessly integrates into your writing process, offering suggestions and insights as you type. It's like having a writing mentor available whenever inspiration strikes. Now we've got some tips to make the most of Fluency AI and amplify your writing skills. Improve grammar and spelling. Get help from Fluency AI. Your grammar helper. It finds mistakes you might miss, making sure your writing is really good and can't get much better. Make your writing better. Use Fluency AI style suggestion to carefully shape your writing. It won't just be accurate, but also sound fancy and keep the reader's attention. Create original content. Fluency AI can find if your work is copied from somewhere else. This means your writing will be unique among lots of other writing out there. Be creative. Fluency AI can help you come up with new ideas for writing. It's like a creativity tool that helps you explore new ways of writing. And even though it's still in the works, Fluency AI is already making waves with its effectiveness. Picture this. It's like having your own personal writing coach that's always striving to provide better feedback, improving its accuracy and helpfulness with each passing day. The best part? Fluency AI caters to everyone. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the writing pool or you're already doing cannonballs, there's something for you. They offer both free and paid plans that pack a punch. The free plan sets you up with grammar and spelling checks, style suggestions, and a plagiarism eagle eye. But hold on to your hats, because the paid plans are where the magic truly unfolds. If you're all about taking your writing to the next level, you're in for a treat. We're talking content generation. Yes, you heard it right. Fluency AI can whip up blog posts, marketing materials, and even scripts. That writer's block, consider its history. Oh, and the fun doesn't stop there. Picture this. Fluency AI becomes your writing mood ring. It analyzes the tone of your words and gives you pointers on how to jazz it up. Want to be more approachable, more formal, or even more persuasive? Say no more. Fluency AI has your back. And hey, ever wonder if your writing is a breeze to read or a bit of brain teaser? Fluency AI's got a solution for that too. It scores the readability of your content and serves up suggestions to make it smoother than a hot knife through butter. Now here's the cherry on top. The perks of the paid plans. Get ready for a treat, because you're not just getting a writing sidekick. You're getting a VIP experience. You can use Fluency AI on all your devices because inspiration can strike anywhere, right? Plus you're front of the line for customer support. No waiting around. Oh, and remember those new features that everyone's buzzing about? Yeah, you get to try them before they hit the free plan. Talk about feeling like a trendsetter. One thing's for sure, Fluency AI isn't the type to rest on its laurels. It's always on the move, adding new features and improvements to keep things fresh. So no matter when you're tuning in, you're getting the latest and greatest version of this writing wizard. To give you a taste of the advanced features that the paid plans offer, let's talk specifics. Ever wish writing content was as easy as ordering your favorite snack? With Fluency AI, content generations becomes a breeze. It whips up blog posts, craft marketing materials, and even scripts. Now, that's some serious multitasking. And here's the kicker. Fluency AI has a tone radar. It analyzes the vibes in your writing and dishes out suggestions for a better mood. Want to sound more upbeat, professional, or even chill? Let Fluency AI sprinkle its magic on your words. But that's not all. We're talking about readability too. No one wants the reader diving into an ocean of jargon, right? Fluency AI scores your content's readability and guides you on how to make it crystal clear. Now consider this. Can a tool truly unlock the full potentials of your writing? How might Fluency AI transformative capabilities revolutionize your approach to crafting prose? Share your thoughts and insights in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more enlightening content.